There are two major methods of fulfillment by Amazon or in Amazon India. First one is fulfillment by Amazon. Second is fulfillment by merchant. In the first category, fulfillment by Amazon, the seller's role is limited to sending the stock to the Amazon godown or Amazon stock house, and the remaining part, whenever the order comes, the entire process of picking the product, packing the product and dispatching the product will be carried out by Amazon itself, the executives of Amazon itself. So this process, and also after dispatch of the product, the entire process of